earning $13,000 per month. How is it possible? Well, in this video, I'll reveal step by step on how to set up this game-changing system, uncover the most profitable niches, and show you how to get started, even if you're a complete beginner. Plus, stay tuned for a bonus AI automation tool that could boost your earnings. Let's go. Step 1. Establishing your brand identity. Begin by utilizing an AI-driven name generator such as namelix.com. Input relevant keywords associated with your niche. A detailed overview of the most profitable niches will be provided shortly. Configure the name style to auto and set the randomness to medium. Upon clicking Generate, the tool will produce a variety of distinctive and engaging names within seconds, all at no cost. Next, you'll need a unique profile picture that complements your name. To achieve this, use a free AI image generator like ideogram.ai. Enter a simple prompt related to your niche and enable the magic prompt feature. This will enhance your prompt's details automatically. You can experiment with various styles, but I usually choose vibrant 3D render and product. Once the generator produces a few images, you can select and download your favorite one. Step 2. Setting up your social media accounts. You have two platform options. The first is TikTok, which, despite the possibility of being banned, offers substantial earning potential. To monetize on TikTok, you need to join the Creator Rewards program, which is typically available only in the US and a few other countries. By setting up a US TikTok account, you can start earning money on TikTok from anywhere globally. The higher your RPM, the greater your earnings. Next, consider using platform number 2, YouTube Shorts. You can earn money with Shorts no matter where you are, though the RPMs are slightly lower compared to TikTok. I'll share a bonus method later that can significantly boost your RPM. For now, ensure your channel is set up correctly. If you don't have a channel yet, log into YouTube with your Gmail account, then click Create a Channel in the top right corner. Enter the name you generated from Namelix for the name and handle, and upload the image you created with a diagram as your profile picture. Click Create a Channel to finish. If you choose TikTok, follow a similar process there. Step 3. Setting up content automation. Next, click on Create Your Series and connect your YouTube account. This setup will enable automatic posting, so once it's configured, you won't need to manage it further. Your content will be posted without any additional effort. To link your account, you'll need to subscribe to a paid plan. Given the potential earnings and minimal effort required, it's a great deal. Once you've linked your YouTube account and selected it as your destination, you'll need to choose your content. They offer various preset niche options, and selecting one will have their AI generate a script for you. However, it's essential not to rely on these presets. The success of your side hustle depends heavily on choosing the right niche and crafting an effective video script. If you get these wrong, your results will suffer. To help you, I'll provide insights into the most profitable niches and effective prompts to create viral video scripts that can drive real earnings with this tool. So, go to autoshorts.ai. For this example, I'll select Interesting History. I suggest keeping the narration voice set to echo, as there are only a few voices available right now, though more will be added soon. Set the video language to English and click Create Series. The AI will then automatically generate the complete video, including the script and visuals. Since the AI-generated scripts aren't always top-notch, I'll share some better options shortly. You can also customize the background music. For the best results, schedule your post to go live daily around midday. Posting more frequently will increase your views and earnings. Leave the other series settings as they are, and you're all set. Auto Shorts will automatically generate and post a unique video to your account daily. However, as previously noted, posting random content won't guarantee success. You need to select the right niches and craft viral video scripts using my proven formula to truly make money. Step 4. Creating a viral series. Since the previous example was just a demonstration, I'll delete it and start fresh. This time, choose Custom under Content to input your own prompt, similar to how you would with ChatGPT. Use the provided prompt designed for creating engaging and viral content in the curiosity niche. After entering the prompt, click Text Your Prompt to preview the script before finalizing the video. This process will generate a viral script tailored to a popular niche. This channel specializes in shorts focused on curiosity and interesting facts. Even though the visuals aren't that good, the videos have gained 1.2 billion views. With an average RPM of 5 cents, this translates to $60,000 in earnings. By using auto shorts, you can produce even higher quality videos, and this niche is also recommended on TikTok, where many accounts receive tens of millions of views. Now, picture having multiple channels earning like this on autopilot, especially if you implement the bonus method I'll explain later. Crafting this prompt is quite simple. I started by finding a viral video from a competitor, copied its link, and used downsub.com to get the English TXT version, which provided the full script. I then used Claude.ai to add punctuation and created 3 script examples. From this, I developed a prompt to generate similar viral scripts. If you prefer not to use mine, you can use this method to create your own. For now, I'll proceed with the first niche and click Create Series. This will generate a highly engaging and viral video with stunning AI-generated visuals, fast-paced captions, transitions, and sound effects. Like before, it will be scheduled to post daily, ensuring you have a fresh, engaging video posted to your account every day. Additional ideas. That's just the beginning. I've found 3 more profitable niches. Keep your current series and start new ones with different accounts. Use the custom content option and the provided prompts. Channels in these niches get millions of views. Start a series for niche number 3, Hypothetical Scenarios, which often goes viral and has 649 million views. Then, create another series for niche number 4, Life Lessons, which has 540 million views. Set both to post daily. Step 5. Analysis and Optimization. After a week of posting daily with your 4 series, it's time to analyze and optimize. Check which account and niche are performing the best. Focus more on the top performers by posting twice a day with auto shorts instead of once. This will help you grow faster and earn more money. You can also create multiple accounts and series in the same niche to build a large network of shorts, generating passive income for you. Step 6. Expansion. While shorts are easy to make and can go viral, they usually earn about 5 cents per view. However, you can increase this by creating long-form videos. For example, one channel that made shorts also started posting long videos, and his latest video got 460,000 views. Since long-form videos earn much more per view, he likely made around $11,000 from that single video. He used his successful shorts to promote these longer videos by adding them as related content. This strategy helped him direct his shorts audience to the more profitable long-form videos. You can use AI to create these long-form videos as well. Go to InVideo AI, and you can generate a video by clicking Generate a Video. You can choose a title, audience, and platform, and then the AI will make the video for you. After it's done, you can tweak the music, voiceover, and captions. Although this requires a bit more effort than making shorts, the higher earnings from long-form videos make it worthwhile. So, start by creating unique branding with AI tools, set up your social media accounts on TikTok or YouTube Shorts, and automate your content creation. Choose the right niches, generate engaging scripts, and post daily. Optimize by analyzing performance and expand with long-form videos to boost your earnings. What's the most exciting AI tool or niche you've discovered for boosting your side hustle? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Profitability Plus for more tips on maximizing your income. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.